Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. This is the place where we turn numbers, shapes, and formulas into simple, clear, and enjoyable lessons. Have you ever wondered how much space covers the outside of a box? That's what we call the surface area of a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 flat faces, and surface area is the total area of all those faces combined. In this lesson, we'll learn how to identify the faces, use the length, width, and height, and apply a simple formula to find the surface area step by step. Let's get started and make surface area easy and fun. Let's discuss about the surface area of a rectangular prism. To find the surface area of a rectangular prism, add up the areas of all its faces. This is the net of this rectangular prism. The net shows all 6 rectangular faces laid flat, helping us visualize and calculate the surface area of the shape. In this example, we will learn how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism with a length of 12 inches, width of 6 inches, and a height of 4 inches. How we're going to find the surface area? First, recall the surface area formula. Second, substitute the given values into the formula. Third, compute each product. Step 4. Add the areas of the 3 pairs of the faces. And lastly, multiply it by 2. So in this example, the surface area is expressed in square inches. So this is our final answer. The surface area of the rectangular prism is 288 square inches. Next, we will learn about the surface area of a cube, which is a special kind of a rectangular prism. A cube is made up of 6 identical square faces, meaning all its edges have the same length. To better understand how to find the surface area, we will look at the net of the cube, which shows all 6 square faces laid flat. By using the net, we can clearly see how each face contributes to the total surface area, making the concept simple and easy to understand. Let's find the surface area of a cube with a side length of 8 centimeters. So a cube has 6 identical square faces. So the formula how to find the surface area of a cube is 6 times side square. So in this example, our side is 8 centimeters. Then we're going to multiply 8 2 times by itself. And this is just the same as 8 times 8. And it gives the answer of 64. Then multiply it to 6 because a cube has 6 faces. And the surface area in this example is equal to 384 square centimeters. A box has dimensions 6 meters, 4 meters, and 3 meters. What is the total surface area of the box? A. 72 square meters, B. 108 square meters, C. 132 square meters, and D. 144 square meters. What do you think the answer? Alright, how to find the surface area of this box? What is our formula? Okay, the formula how to find the surface area is equal to 2 times the quantity of length times width plus width times height plus height times length. Then, let's plug in the known values into our formula and find the product. Then lastly, multiply it by 2. So our surface area is equal to 108 square meters. And it is letter B. A student calculated the surface area of a rectangular prism with the dimensions 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 2 centimeters as 30 square centimeters. What did the student most likely forget to do? A. Multiply by 2. B. Add all sides areas. C. Use the correct units. And D. Multiply all 3 dimensions. What do you think the answer? Alright. Surface area includes all faces. Multiply by 2. So the correct answer is letter A. Let's have a recap. To find the surface area of a rectangular prism, add up the areas of all its faces. So formulas, for a rectangular prism, we have 2 times the quantity of length times width plus width times height plus height times length. For a cube, surface area is equal to 6 times the square of the side. Thank you for listening, and I hope this helped you better understand surface area